Good morning, children. Welcome to our next class. In last class, you learned about food with carbohydrates and food with proteins. Which food groups have carbohydrates? Which food groups contain proteins? You learned. And how to test for carbohydrates, how to test for proteins also you learned. And in today's class, the next food nutrient which is present in our food, you are going to learn. So those are fats. So the food groups which contain fats you already know. The food items like cheese, ghee, oil, sweets, these all contain fats. And how can we prove that, or how can we test for fats? How can you say that the given food item contains fats? To do activity, you need a tissue paper or a normal white paper and sweets or any item which is deep fried. So take small amount of that fried item or a sweet and keep it in a paper, just gently press it. If you observe an oily stain on the paper, that can prove that your given food item contains fats. So all these food items which are deep fried, mostly like all your junk foods, chicken 45, 65, gobi manchuria, burgers, french fries, all these food items, junk foods contain fats. And you also know, did you observe any time the samosa vendors carry their samosas in a cloth bag? Do you know why the reason is? And while making the french fries or deep fried items, they'll put on a paper first because the paper can absorb some amount of oil from that. So it can reduce the fat. Same way, you also know the functions of fats and what way fats are useful for us. Fats gives us energy like carbohydrates. They are also essential in our diet. And when they are getting breakdown inside our body, they release energy and keep us warm. But at the same time, more amount of fats leads to obesity. And obesity causes for many diseases, you know very well, right? So these are the different food items which help us to give us energy. So now you can see here some ghee and here some junk foods which contain fats, and here the test for fats. The oily stain you can observe. So do this activity practically at home, children, and take some varieties of foods which are available for you and test it with the paper and find out the food items which contain fats. So this activity you need to note down in your page number 27. They are asking you to write the different food items which contain fats. Okay? So along with this, so tell now about three nutrients you learned. One is carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The food groups you learned, where they are present, and how to test them you learned. And finally, are there any other nutrients in our food? Yes, along with fats, along with carbohydrates and proteins, we also need vitamins and minerals for our body. Vitamins and minerals keeps us healthy and they keep away the diseases. And which food items have vitamins and minerals? Fresh fruits and fresh vegetables have vitamins and minerals. So when you use more amount of fresh fruits and vegetables, if you have that habit of eating fresh fruits and vegetables, They'll keep you healthy. They'll keep away the diseases. They protect us from diseases. That's why you need to eat fresh fruits and vegetables compulsory. Understood, children? And along with this, the vitamins and minerals are very needed in very less quantities to our body, but when they are lacking in our food, they lead to many diseases. Understood? So along with this, we also need water and roughage in our diet. How water is helping? Water makes the food item which you are eating, it makes that food into more liquid and helps to digest the nutrients from the food, absorb the nutrients from the food what you are eating. So it break down the food items. It helps to break down the food items and it also helps to absorb the nutrients. Understood, children? And then roughage. Children, now you try to understand what's the meaning of roughage. Roughage means the fiber present in plants and fruits, in plants, vegetables and fruits. The roughage present in fruits and vegetables and the fiber which is present in fruits and vegetables known as roughage. And you can also say that the roughage pass throughout the digestive tract without any change. Without any change, it passed through the digestive tract. The meaning of digestive tract, you already learnt in digestion lesson. Uh, from the mouth to anus, the different parts which are present in the digestive system known as digestive tract. So the fiber moves along with the digestive tract without any change. So it won't get digested. It won't do any harm when it is in the digestive tract. And moreover, it's helping the food bowl to move easily. Food bowl means the bowl which you are eating after chewing what you are swallowing, that's called as bowl. So that movement can be easy with the help of roughage present in our diet. And it's also helping to pass the stools easily. That means it's helping in excretion process. Excretion means sending out the waste products from the body known as excretion. So to easily do the excretion process, that means undigested food to eliminate from the body, roughage is helping. When undigested food is eliminated timely, then you will never get a constipation problem. That means stomach ache, stomach pain problems you will not get. So it's helping for easy digestion. It's also helping for the bowel movement. It's helping to pass the stool easily. It helps in excretion process and it also helping to avoid the constipation. So that many uses are there with roughage children. And you also know how water is important in our diet. And to absorb the nutrients from the food you are eating, water is essential. When you drink enough water and your skin gets glow. So early in the morning when you get up, try to drink 2 to 4 glasses of water and the whole day you need to drink 8 glasses of water which keeps you healthy. So then roughage is very important, helping for proper excretion, helping to not to get the constipation and where it is present. When you know where it is present, then only you can consume the roughage, right? So roughage is present in food items like whole grains, all the grains, the food items made with grains contain the roughage and the fresh fruits and vegetables have roughage. That's why these items are compulsory to be consumed by our diet. Then from today's topic, you understood how to test for the fats and which food items have fats and what's the meaning of roughage and how important water and roughage in our diet. This all you understood, children. Now we will see what questions are given in these two worksheets once we'll see. Come to page number 27, children. As I told you to do the activity, collect different food items and test for fats and give confirmation and write your observation in page number 27 which food items have fats. And also tick the food item contain fats. Some pictures are given for you that shows which food has fats. You need to identify and circle or tick that food item. And the last one, sometimes our diet may not have enough vitamins and minerals. Then how to get the proper vitamins and minerals to our body? Then you know the only way is to eat more fruits and vegetables. When you eat, your body will get enough amount of vitamins and minerals children. Now in next page in your volume 2, page number 28, a paragraph is given about roughage, the importance of roughage, the meaning of roughage and the uses of roughage given in a paragraph. So read that paragraph thoroughly and try to answer these questions which are given in page number 28. So here they are asking you what is roughage. Roughage means the fiber which is present in grains, vegetables and fruits. Or else you can also write the fiber which present in a digestive tract without any changes. That's also you can call it as roughage. And what are some foods that have roughage? Already I told you, grains, fruits and vegetables have roughage. How is water important for digestion? Water makes the food more liquidy and it can absorb. It helps to absorb the nutrients from the liquid food. And why is it important to have roughage in our diet? As we discussed just now, roughage helps for easy digestion and reduce the constipation, helps to pass the stool easily, and it also helps for bowel movement. Understood, children? And the last one, give some examples of foods that do not have any roughage. What would happen if we mainly ate such foods? So he is asking you to write which foods do not have roughage at all. As I told you, all the deep fried items, all your burgers, pizza, french fries, 65 and Manchuria, all which we are deep frying, these food items, mostly fast foods, are not having roughage at all. If roughage you are not having in the diet, then it will be problem for our body. Then it should compulsory replaced by eating fresh fruits and vegetables children. So I think you can do page 27 and 28 by your own. Nicely do the homework and in coming online class we'll discuss this again and I'm going to check your books children. Thank you.